guys, it's Mike from Ophelia's Bluefine Farmer. Today I'm back at the Ivanhoe Farmers Market. We haven't been at this market for 3 years. You know, when coronavirus hit, the market had closed up and we went wholesale. And it's great to be out today back at one of the markets that we got started.
Ophelia is awesome to eat.
So good. Summer breeze taking a nap under a tree. So good. Heat painting freckles on my cheeks. So good. Birds singing perfect harmony. It's all caving in when it all could have been so good.
We got the fresh deal, we got the fresh fennel, we've got the awesome zucchinis. Awesome zucchini and the fresh herbs that we specialize in. So today, celebrating Juneteenth, and just out in the neighborhood in Kansas City, the Ivanhoe Farmers Market. Back at the Farmers Market, we're back at this Farmers Market after 3 years, and it's a great experience.